Hi everybody. Today Watchdog is going to show you a little trip when I was going to downtown Chicago to one of the Apple stores to get some help on our couple iPads that are locked and we need to get that resolved somehow. I'm doing this for one of our neighbors. He's a disabled person and he needs help with that. So that's what Watchdog do sometimes, helping people. Well, not sometimes, we help the people all the time. So I want to ask you guys to join me to my 2025 new journey to venture, justice, health, peace, and success, and wealth for everybody. I really wish for all of us to succeed and bring the justice, health, peace, and success to everybody, no matter who you are, where you are, what part of the world you're from. So please join me in that 2025 journey. Now I know February it's in the end and March it's around the corner, but we still got a few months to go. So here's the video at the Apple store. First you're going to see the picture. Yeah, that's the Apple store. And then you're going to see the video. I'm sorry about that. But that's the Apple store on North Avenue in Chicago. Very interesting place, very friendly people there. I've been there numerous times. So I will show you the video as I was traveling through there, and you will see the inside the store and the service that everybody's getting. A lot of people there. Well, here's the video. Okay, folks. Today is February 25th. I'm going to the Apple store, and I thought on the way I will show you a little bit around downtown Chicago over there. I'm going over there to the Apple store to see if I can get a couple iPads working. I called the customer service support, but I don't think I relayed my issues correctly, or maybe they don't understand me what I was trying to do. Both those iPads are locked. We have a problem with log into it. There are iPads. It just we lost the login information. So I'm hoping that I can get this resolved. You see, I'm trying to drive and show you guys a view. Okay, folks, I'm sorry, but my camera wasn't on. So now I got it on. See the different views in downtown Chicago. Trying to go to that Apple store and get those iPads going. I have a problem with them because we lost the information. Oh, look at that. President Trump picture on this truck over there. Oh, some kind of Greek island thing over there. Oh, we had a Greek town. I forgot about it. Crown Plaza. So as I said, a minute or so, I'm going to have to. Hey, there's a little view over there. And there's some buildings in here. Oh, we got another sculpture, little owl over there. See that? Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Well, something different. So I thought I'd turn the camera on. Share this views with you. Whole Foods, a pretty big market. Good marketplace. This guy's over here. Tried to make another video. couple minutes. I'm trying to help my neighbor. He's disabled. He have a problem with his kidneys. He's waiting for a transplant. He had this issue for about 4 years. He's on the list. One of the hospital, Loyola Hospital, for about 4 years or something. That guy is really in need of help. Now you see some high rises over there, some building in front of us, some pop up here. So that's what I do most of the time, trying to help people. I have folks are working in Pakistan for me, and Japan, and Nigeria, Africa. We help with people on everyday issues, whether they need some service or need to find the right resources for medical things, or for disabled people, senior citizens, young people, school issues, government issues, any kind of agencies. I do have 45 years experience with a lot of people in this field. I've been around for a while. So after I become disabled, I thought I could utilize my time instead of dwelling on my disability to help people find the right resources, not to be abused by others and taken advantage of. Became a victim of spam or anything like that. So that's what we do. That's what watchdogs do. Okay, folks, I think you see some nice buildings over here and some views. Oh, there are some nice views over there. So, alright. I have to stop the camera and make my phone call, and I record that. Some other things in a little bit. Thank you. Bye. Okay, folks, I'm inside the garage over here by Apple Store. I'm going to go over there to the store, see if I can get some help with the iPad. So, looks like at the store, folks, trying to. Okay. Need to make sure that I cross this street safely. Okay. And when I get there, hopefully I can get some help. Alright. I'm at the store, corporate store, one of them. They got two of them in here. See all those people there. So I'm not going to be able to probably. Well, I don't want to cause no headaches inside. Oh, this is dispensary over there. Legal marijuana for health issues and for any other. Yeah, medical. Dispensary of marijuana got legalized about 2-3 years ago. Okay, folks, this is a short video, but I hope you guys see something. Alright, well, I put it all together and make a little commentary, see what's going on inside there. Hopefully, I get some help. All right, folks, I talk to you in a little bit. Okay, my friends, this is Watchdog. I'm inside the Apple Store and I'm trying to get my iPads for a friend of mine working. We've been trying to do this for about a week, but customer service in Apple could not help us over the phone, so I had to come to the store and see if I could get some help there. So that's what I'm here, and I'm going to have to wait to my turn for about 20 minutes to see if they're going to be able to help me. So it's going to be a short video, but you can see the public in here. They're trying to get their watches or iPads and things like that all taken care of. Laptops. They're very, very nice and friendly people. And you could buy stuff in here, chargers, phones, laptops. I think they have monitors in here. I've been here several times trying to get help on my watches and so forth. So let's see what are we going to be able to accomplish today for Oscar, a friend of mine. He's disabled, a very sick person. He's only 50 years old, but he's facing with a lot of problems with his failure of his kidney. He's on dialysis. 7 times a week he has to do the dialysis. 3 times a week he's out of the hospital, in and out of the hospital for the past 4 years. So I'm trying to help him on that issue as well too. So this is another routine day for Watchdog in Chicago. See you all the way around and inside the Apple Store over here. Okay, folks. Well, I think that's it for now. I mean, I'm just going to have to wait again, as I said, to my turn. Thank you. Okay, my friends. I hope you watched the video on the Apple Store. Very friendly people, as I mentioned that in the video. If you have any news that you want to share and information, any news anywhere in the United States, we're here to put it out in all different medias and share it with people. Whether it's a good news, bad news, really doesn't matter. And we not only deal with our news in the United States, but in Chicago and the national news as well. I have 3 different channels that we share the information and help people. Now, I want to introduce myself on this poster. I'm on the left. That's my picture. I'm in the front of the Richard Daly Center in Chicago. And on the right, you see my executive director in Pakistan, a friend of mine. I know him for about 7 years, and he helps me tremendously with a lot of technical issues, and a lot of other things that we need to get it done in our business. Now, you see my Live in Chicago with Jerry channel address, their phone number. So please contact us. Give us any suggestions, any comments you might have. And I want to thank you for overwhelming support. Keep on supporting us. We are trying to help a lot of people everywhere with all different issues. And for those that you guys didn't have a chance yet to look at our channel or channels, please do that. Subscribe to our channel. We're trying to do as best as we possibly can. And as I said it before, if you have any question, any suggestion, share with us. Share with us so we could share with everybody in a possible way that we could reach out to the audience. Thank you. Now, these are the links that you could get in touch with us. Obviously, YouTube on top, Facebook, nextdoor.com. Very nice platform. I suggest that everybody get on this platform, look for resources. I said it numerous times. I'm sorry if I keep on repeating myself, but it's a very good platform. A lot of people go on it, exchange information, ask questions, offering the answers, have items to donate, looking for items. Rich people, small people, corporation, disabled people, young people. You see a lot of information there. And then you see my picture. That's me holding my beloved friend Cody. I lost him 4 years ago due to car accident in front of my house, but I have him for 16 years. I miss him a lot. You see my watchdog group email on the bottom, and you see my name, Jerry Zemankowski. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.